So welcome back to the Max Live class. Now here we are going to start with the Pythagoras theorem. I told you last class we have completed exercise 5a and we'll start with the exercise 5b. For that, first we should know about the Pythagoras theorem. Yes. So what is Pythagoras? That we have to understand. So this Pythagoras theorem is named after the scientist. The Greek mathematician. That name is as Pythagoras. From that name only this theorem has came. This Pythagoras applied only in the right angle triangle. Okay, this you should remember that Pythagoras theorem is only applied on the right angle triangle. In this you can see that first I draw a right angle triangle. In this you know that this angle should be 90 degree. Okay, by showing this sign only we understand that this is a 90 degree. Now here I put the name A, B, C. Now in Pythagoras theorem, what we can see that this angle is a 90 degree. Now this angle is a 90 degree. The opposite to this 90 degree, one side is this AC. We give this as hypotenuse. We give this name as hypotenuse. Okay, and this means the longest side of both the sides. The longest side will be hypotenuse. We give the name as hypotenuse here. And this is the perpendicular down because it is a straight line and it is perpendicular and it is on this line for BC. This is a straight line. So we give this name as this is a perpendicular here and this is a base. This is the name exactly set to this line segments. Okay, this is the opposite side of 90 degree, that is AC, which is the longest side of both the sides. Okay, this AC will be the longest side of both the sides. You have to remember one thing, that every time this longer side will be named as hypotenuse. Okay, so from this concept we are going to give the Pythagoras theorem that AC square, or we can say hypotenuse square, is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, so in the same case, when we are writing hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, we can give the name to the line segment. It is already given. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, this is the Pythagoras. I think you are not able to see it. Write it down. So we are having the formula that h square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to p square plus b square. P square is perpendicular square and b square is equal to base square. Now we just name I named the right angle triangle. So I give the name as AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So from this we are going to follow the Pythagoras theorem. Is that clear, students? Okay. Ankita?
Also say it in height.
Yes, I didn't get you.
Ma'am, at the place of perpendicular, we can also say it is in height.
Yes, we can say height also, because to find out the value, for example, if you want to find out the height, this also can be said perpendicular as height also. Okay. So perpendicular, why we are telling? Because this is in 90 degree, this line is falling on BC, that will be the straight line. That's why we are telling it's perpendicular. To find out the height of the right angle triangle also, we can say perpendicular as height also. Okay. Yes, next. Abhinav. Yes, Abhinav.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, tell me what is the doubt in this?
Aditya.
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, my doubt was that if we will rotate that triangle left 90 degree, then how we can say that it is perpendicular? Ma'am, it will change the perpendicular. It will turn into base and base will turn into perpendicular.
That can be done. This can be changed into this and this can be changed into that. No problem.
Yes, ma'am, because in both we have to minus.
No, that only I am telling you. See, the main part you have to understand, that is the longest side. The longest side, every time it should be hypotenuse only. This you don't
Yes,
figure
ma'am.
that. But why I am telling this as perpendicular, because it is lying on line BC. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So how Ankita has said that it is said as height also. Yes, it can be said as height also. No, to find out the right angle triangle, the height, so we can find out this value. That is correct. Okay, so we are
Okay, ma'am.
having this formula x square. That's why I'm to make you remember. Okay, so that's why I'm giving this formula that h square is equal to p square plus b square. Understood?
Okay,
Clear?
ma'am.
No? Okay. So I think all the concepts are clear for this question, this topic. So I can start with the exercise. So first you should remember that h square is equal to p square plus b square, and line segment is already given AC. AC is the longest
Hello.
side. We have to remember only one thing, that is AC should be every time the longest side. That only you have to remember that. This, if you are taking this side and that side, no problem, because right angle triangle, it can be any shape, any side it can be. Okay, so if you confuse with this, no problem for that, but it should be this concept should be there. Okay, the hypotenuse will be every time equal to the square of the perpendicular and base. That only you have to remember. Okay, so I will just move to the exercise now. Now see, now first question is telling about the calculate the length of the unknown side each of the following right angle triangles. Okay? Now here, now see, now calculate, we have to find out the value of the unknown side. So unknown side, we are not knowing which side, no? But the sum of the side it is already given. So I just do for that. We're having exercise 5B. Okay, and it is given A, B, C. So we will give the name to the triangle, triangle, right angle triangle, that A, B, and C. Okay, so here it is given 8 and here 6 centimeter. Okay, by seeing one more thing, they have noted down that this is a right angle triangle. Okay, so here again you can see the opposite side, so we have to find out this one. Okay, so AC square, we are having the formula, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to AB square is 8 square plus 6 square is equal to 64 plus 36, that is equal to 100. So AC square, so AC square has become 100. That means AC is equal to 10 square. Okay, 10 square. So AC will become, square will go away and it will become 10. Clear all of you? Then we have another question also I will do for you. That is third one I will do so that you can understand. Again, it is given as right angle. Now here it is A, B, and C. I write again. I have given the name to the longest side as AC, so that we can do with that formula. Okay, follow that Pythagoras formula. So by Pythagoras formula, we are having again AC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So how you have asked me the one more question, just Aditya have asked me that we can change. Yes, it can be changed, no problem for the base. Okay, base can be this also or this part also. Okay. So here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now we have to find out the value. Now we have given here 20 centimeter is there and here 25 centimeter is there. So in that case, now we have to find out the value of this part. Now BC we have to find out. So for finding of BC, we can write BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. Can I write like this? So in that case, what will happen? What will happen now? BC square, BC is BC square as it is. AC square we have taken as 25 square plus 20 square. So in that case, 25 into 25, it will be 625 plus 20 square is equal to 400. 400. Okay, so 625 plus 400 is, oh sorry, we are doing minus here. Okay, minus. So 625 minus 400 is 225. 225. So again, this is BC square. Here also BC square. And here BC is equal to 225 will be the root of. Now we can put the root also. If you want to do the another part, we can write BC square. We can change the BC and we can also put 225 in a root. So first I should know that all the students know to how to make solve the roots. All of you know it. Those who don't know how to find out the root, they can raise a hand. Okay, fine. So I will make you understand. First I should explain this. 225. By LCM means if you will find out the value of 225, so how many 5s will be there? A 5 or 3 will be there. Can you find out, one of you, and tell me how many 5 and 3 are there? Yes, who can say? So to find out the root of 225. To find out the root of 225, two methods are there. One is we are finding out the LCM. And the next is the root, how to find out the root by solving it. Okay, so one of you can tell me. Yes. Yes, Ankita. Are you there? Okay. Aditi can tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, there are 2, 3 and 2, 5.
Okay. Two 3s.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
And 2,
2
5.
5s. Yes, very good. So this is the LCM of 225. That is very good, Aditya. The LCM of 225. Now what we are doing, we are taking the pair of it. When we are doing the pair, that means the root will be cancelled with that. Root means it is 225 half. Okay, 225
15.
and half. Okay, when we are removing the root. Okay, so we can do one system, we can do with the LCM. Another system I will explain you how to do it. Okay, so this is how Aditya said. So 2 3s are there. So it will be cancelled by the, then we will get 3 into 5 and we get the answer as 15. Clear, all of you? Now
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you, Aditya. Now I just tell you about the one more question I will do so that you can understand the sixth question, shall we? So hard question we can take as a root. Okay, so hard question I will take so that you can easily understand the hard number, how we can do the big numbers, how we can do the root of it. Okay. So one more question I will do. Sixth question I will do. Sixth part. First sixth part I will do. Now you can see again the figure. It is like this. And we have the 90 degree here. Okay. And we are going to write here A, B and C. Here 60. Here 65. So who can help me out? So yes, Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Yes, tell me. Now you can answer me this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Now what I have to find out here? We have to find out BC.
Base.
BC we have to find out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in that case, what you are going to do? What formula you are going to apply? The same formula what I taught you now.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? Pythagoras theorem. Tell me. Vaibhav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. AC square. What is the formula?
Ma'am, BC square.
BC square. AC square.
Ma'am,
So
first
we
AC
will,
square.
first we will note down the formula. First of all, we will note down the formula. Then only we will find out the what is the value we need of. Okay. So
Yes,
AC square plus is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now we are going to find a write down. Rewrite it. BC square we have to find out. So BC square is equal to Yes. Again, Vaibhav has gone, I think.
No, ma'am. Here
Tell
only.
then. Yes. BC square is equal to.
AC square minus AB square.
Yes, correct. Okay. Now what we have to find out? Now we have to find out BC square. So we will put the values. AC square as 65 square minus 60 square. Yes. So 65 square as, so 65 into 65 will be?
Yes, ma'am.
Solve
Ma'am,
it.
4,225.
Yes, correct. 4,225 minus 60 into 60 is?
Ma'am, 3,600.
3,600. Okay. Now we have to subtract it. Now what you will get by subtracting?
Ma'am, 625.
Correct? Okay. Then
Yes, ma'am.
625. Now we are going to find out the root of 625. So root of 625, how we are going to find out? Now this is the formula we are going to find out, 625. Okay. So 625,
Yes, ma'am.
I have written root. How we are going to find out the root? Listen carefully, students, all of you. How to find out the root? First, you have to divide it. Okay, by two numbers. Two numbers you will divide it. The numbers you will divide into two numbers. Okay. So here 6. So how many times 6 will come? The double number. The double number means 2 1 ones are not 1. 2 2s are 4.
4.
No, 3 3s are 6. We can't. 3 3s are 9. It is there. This is bigger smaller number. The 9 is bigger than. So we will write 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then we will subtract it. What you will get? 6 minus 4 is 2. 225. We will write two numbers. We will write it down. Okay. Then we have 2 plus 2 is 4.
4.
So 4 with the 4, what number we can multiply so that we can get the 225? With the 4, can I add one more number? 5 5s are 25.
Yes, ma'am.
So 5 5s are 25. Here 5 also 5 5s are 25. And 2 carry. And 4 5s are 20. 20 and 225 will come.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that okay? So here, like this also you can find the value of and that square root. Clear, all of you? Any doubt in this root?
No,
All of you,
ma'am.
yes. Okay, thank you, dear. Yes, those are having doubt in the find out. So we got the value 25. So 25 square. So BC square is equal to 25 square and BC will become as 25. So we get the value as 25 centimeter. Clear, all of you? Then we have next second part question. See which of the following triangles are right angle. So in that case, now again what are you going to do is, now you have to take the, again you will put the, here we cannot put the A, B, C as, because any side we can take. Okay. For example, if I take the second question, because it is already not shown that which is a right angle triangle. So in the second question, which is a right angle triangle, it is not shown. So in that case, we will just draw a line and simply we will give A, B, C, because we don't know which is the longest side. Okay, we are not knowing about it. So what we are going to do is, here 6 is there, here 8 is there, and here 10 is there. So in that case, by seeing the number, we have just taking the numbers. Okay, so 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square, because by seeing only this is a 10 is a longest side. So I just written like this, 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. So here 6 is a 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. So here you can see this also coming 100, that is equal to 100. That means this is a right angle triangle. Understood, all of you? So this only we verify because it should come equal. For example, if you take the first one, first question, what you can see? In the first question, you can see that it is given 6 square plus 7 square is equal to 8 square. So in that case, 6 is 36 plus 49 is equal to 64. It will not come equal. Yes? Now 64. it will be not equal. So that means it is not a right angle triangle. Okay, this you have to check in the question. Okay, so I think all of you understood. Any doubt? Yes, Aditya, tell me.
Ma'am, my doubt was that from starting only we have to put root, no?
Starting only, why we are putting starting? No need of putting in the starting. You can put afterwards also, no problem.
Ma'am, if the my answer is by all thing, my answer is coming 256 centimeter. Then how I will prove in question that I have taken it root?
No problem. In the last, because when we are changing this b square, when we are changing square to that, when we are removing that square, then only root will come to your place, na? That side, right hand side. Understood?
No, ma'am. I am not asking for this question. I am asking for any question. Means solving any question. No?
Solving any question only. I am also telling. See,
you are not putting any root. Only one.
That only I am telling you. Since I am not taking. See, for example, I told you that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. I told you like this. Okay. Yes, in that case, if I am removing this square, then only it will come root from the beginning.
Yes, ma'am.
Got my point? If you are not changing here in the questions, in whatever questions I solved, in that I didn't remove this square. Okay. If we are removing this square, then only it will pass on to the right angle, then only it will come under root. Clear? Understood what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, ma'am,
if you are putting this, but the thing is that you have to remove this square, then only root will come. Otherwise, it will not come. So in the continuous answer, I was writing continuously. I was writing AC square like that, isn't it? In the left hand side. Clear what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.